There's a lot of talk about a housing bubble in Canada, but is there? Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, live in Alberta. Here to talk about all things real estate. To start, let me introduce myself. I am Carson Nielsen, a licensed realtor with the Live Realty Group based here in the amazing province of Alberta. I hope you'll find this video helpful, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe, engage us in the comment section, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. I swear I do way more than just open doors. Apparently, there's a housing bubble in Canada, but is there? What is a housing bubble and what does it do? A housing bubble is characterized by a rapid increase in property values, often driven by speculative behavior. Now, when it comes to real estate, speculative behavior is buyers buying homes at inflated prices and expecting the value to continue to rise. Typically, this is due to high demand, limited supply, which results in increased sales prices. We witnessed this happen in Ontario and in BC in recent years. Now, this bubble shall pop. We get this bursting bubble when the demand for housing drops significantly. This can happen due to a variety of factors such as unaffordability, changes in interest rates, or shifts in the labor market, all of which play a significant role in our economy and our housing market. It's important to note that housing market varies greatly across the country. For example, markets such as Toronto and Vancouver have experienced sharp increases in home prices followed by declines. This is what has fueled all the talk about a bubble. Now let's talk about Alberta. Our housing market probably not as impacted by this popping bubble. I'll tell you why. Economic diversification. Alberta's economy is more diversified compared to other provinces. While we are known for oil and gas, we also thrive in other sectors like agricultural, technology, and yes, even renewable energy. This diversification can help cushion the impact of a market downturn. There's also affordability. Homes in Alberta are more affordable compared to hotspots like Toronto and Vancouver. This lower level of price inflation means that a potential bubble burst might not have a great impact here. Population growth. Alberta continues to experience a growing population, which can support a housing demand and help protect against the housing market crash. The local economy and affordability in Alberta have attracted national and international migration, with individuals seeking a better quality of life. This, coupled along with homeowners' reluctance to list their properties due to rising interest rates, has constricted supply and boosted the local markets in favor of sellers. The result is a thriving real estate market in Alberta, characterized by limited supply and high demand, and yet people can still afford to buy homes. In contrast, Toronto and Vancouver are experiencing stagnant markets with an abundance of supply and dwindling demand. This is stemming from their previously uncontrolled and overheated markets. It's crucial to understand that the dynamics of the real estate market can vary greatly by region. So what happens on a national level doesn't necessarily reflect what's happening here in Alberta. For instance, while sales in Canada are projected to drop this year, Alberta's market has remained resilient with an average home price in Calgary of just over $545,000. This represents a 7% increase over last year. The median sale price for homes in central Alberta has also edged up by 2.2%. The average home price here is $368,000. These are affordable prices and one of the key factors in our growing population. Understanding these market trends is vital when considering buying or selling a property. I'm here to help keep you up to date on the real estate market in Calgary and central Alberta. Sales have shown stronger momentum than initially expected. Not as crazy as last year. Calgary in particular is proving to be very attractive. We aren't experiencing the same level of rapid growth that Toronto and Vancouver did, and we are in line with our annual market predictions. Alberta has a thriving labor market, showing growth across sectors such as construction, manufacturing, healthcare services, professional services, and business building activities. These further support the increase in demand. It's important to note that the surge in demand hasn't been met with an increase in supply. I think the main reason is rising interest rates. A lot of the population purchased at low interest rates, some below 2%. These sellers are wary of giving up their low interest rates. It's important to note that these mortgages are coming due in the next year or two. I think that we'll see more supply then. There are also murmurings that this is going to cause a lot of foreclosures. Please don't forget, a couple years ago, Trudeau put a stress test in place. For those of you that don't know, this is a means to qualify buyers at a higher lending rate. The intention of this stress test is to mitigate the damage that can be done by rising interest rates. Drastic increases to interest rates have a large impact on the housing market, our economy, and ultimately you, the consumer. I went a little off topic there. Back to the bubble. Both Calgary and central Alberta are in short supply of houses. There are a lot of buyers looking to make a purchase, but the availability of properties in the resale, new construction, and rental markets remain low. This continuous low supply has maintained tight market conditions, leading to higher prices across all property types, more than we expected. This consistent growth throughout the year has offset any price reductions that we saw in the second half of 2022. Understanding the dynamics of your local real estate market is crucial when you are making a decision regarding such a large financial investment. I told you I do way more than open doors. The Live Realty Group is here to help you navigate the ever-changing real estate market. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and ring that bell. Information, we're full of it.